You've probably seen them, empty storefronts popping up all over the South Bay. So what's really going on?
Well, our data shows two very different stories are unfolding at the exact same time. Let's dive in.
We're seeing national chains collapse, and at the same time, we're seeing goodbye to beloved local institutions.
Okay, first up, let's look at the national picture hitting our local malls, starting with a familiar name.
This bankruptcy filing, it's more than just a headline. It's a major red flag for mall-based retail.
The company actually called it a perfect storm. So what exactly does that mean? Let's unpack it. These three factors created so much financial pressure that the company just couldn't stay afloat anymore.
And here's the thing, that national story has a direct and immediate impact right here in our community. We're now facing a double whammy, empty stores in the mall and local jobs seriously on the line.
But it's not just about the big guys. Let's shift from the mall right over to Main Street.
For 32 years, the Rag & Cajun Cafe was way more than a restaurant. It was a Redondo Beach institution.
This timeline really captures the end of an era, the final chapter for a place so many people loved. Now, this wasn't a bankruptcy, but it does show just how fragile things are for independent businesses right now. These sky-high costs make it almost impossible for a new, independent owner to take over these spaces. So how do these two completely different closures actually tell us one single story about the South Bay? You can see the reasons are different, but the result is the same: immense pressure on local real estate. Which brings us to the big question, doesn't it? What's going to happen to these empty storefronts?
Well, high costs create what we call gentrification pressure, which can push owners to favor national chains. This is really about the soul of our community. What do we want the future of our Main Street to be?